Oh, hi, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. How are you doing, everybody? I would like you, or I'm inviting you to join me for the next 7 days because I will be doing this Go Live. I know I do Go Live all the time, but we have a challenge. We have a 7-day challenge from our group of entrepreneurs, and the challenge is to do a Go Live every day. I can talk about anything. So if you have any questions at all, for those who doesn't know me yet, I'm Lay Mula. I'm a part-time nurse. I'm a single mother, and I am coming across you live all the way from UK, and I'm a digital business owner. So for the next 7 days, or starting from today, if you have anything that about the digital business or whatever it may be, about life, about me as a single mom, anything, if you have anything that that we would like to talk about, I would like you to type on the comment section below so we can talk about it, briefly on this Go Live that I'm doing. But for now, so for today, it's just an invitation, and I just would like to engage with all of you, so you can engage with me. Comment on the section below, type any questions, and so you're very welcome. So 7 days starting from today. So this is just a quick invitation, everybody. So all about the business, why not? My goodness, we can talk all about the business. And if you want to find out about the business, let me quickly tell you, www.laymuna.com. Register on there, your name and your email address, and wait for my email. Watch the webinar as step 1, and then so on and so forth. But that is the start. Okay, so we can talk about anything. So for now, just an invitation, everybody. Everybody, I'm mixing the words now. So sa aking mga kababayan, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. It's 8:50 in the morning, coming across to you live all the way from UK. And hello, Dima Byron, good morning. Let me know where you're coming from. So just today, just a quick invitation before I head on to work. So but for today, you know what, I can add a bit more to talk about. Okay, so apart from the invitation that I'm doing, we can start with gratitude, gratefulness. Okay, so let me know what you are grateful for. It may be little things, big things. Okay, so type on the comment section below and let me know what are you grateful for today. It's Tuesday. Okay, so for me, this is just very simple, but it gives me joy because so this morning, of course, I have to prepare lunch pack for my children. I have to wake up very early and sort them out, rush them. Imagine that the rush that I am doing every day on a school day. My goodness. So I have to calm myself down, is because if we're about to get late, of course that's kind of stressing us out, isn't it? So but of course, before we get off, we set off onto the road, I do my my silent, or sometimes I say it out loud when the children are in the car. It's a very quick prayer, so that just to ask for protection, just to ask for guidance, while in the car. Okay, so and of course, as I was heading onto the car park, of course it was a good journey coming from the house coming to work. So because I have to drop off my children, so it was good. There was a space that I have to drop them off safely, and then my son to work, and then coming here. Of course, I was also dreading about the car park, but I just said, I'm already grateful that you have given me a safe journey coming to work. So it is okay for me to have some difficulty looking for a car park. So, but I'm already so thankful and grateful. But on the way, as I get to this car park, I saw a lady a colleague. I don't personally know her, but I know she's a colleague coming from work. Okay? And I kind of quickly opened the window and I asked, "Are you going?" You know, because that only means that there is a space for my car to park, for me to park. So yeah, and I just literally just parked this car and did this go live. And just grateful for it, okay? So grateful for the protection, grateful for the graces, and grateful for this car park. So just small little things that gives me joy, and now I say my gratefulness, okay? And of course, to have a good day for today. Right, so that is all, everybody. Just grateful for these little things, and let me know what are you grateful for today. So I shall see you tomorrow because it's a 7-day challenge and I started today. Okay, so engage with me tomorrow. Not sure what time it's going to be, but I will do the go live. Okay, second day tomorrow, and let me know what we want to, quickly talk about. Okay? So have a good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So I'm heading now to work. I only have like few minutes to prepare. So yeah, and I work in the hospital. I'm a nurse. So who doesn't know me yet, I'm a nurse, part-time nurse, single mom. And sa aking mga kababayan, magandang umaga, everybody. And let me know kung ano ang mga bagay na you are grateful for today. Little things, big things. Okay. God bless you, everybody. Bye.